Good morning, children. Myself Avinash Gavanji Bhoye from Mumbai Public School, Dharavi Kala Killa welcomes you all in today's online lesson. So today we will learn mathematics subject. In that we learn very easy and interesting topic named perimeter and area. So now let's start the lesson. So students, before starting the lesson, we will learn a story. So I will tell you a story that is my friend is in problem. So we have to solve his problem. So here the name of our topic is perimeter and area. Now here the story is I have a friend named Samir. He has some field and he has some corn plants. In his field but there is a problem. Some animals like monkeys, rabbits entered his field at night and destroy corn plants. So Samir is very worried. So he need to cover his field with wire, but he didn't know how long wire he should purchase to fence the field. So students, here my friend Samir, he has cornfield and he has very nice cornfield. See here, this is cornfield. But at night, some animals like monkeys, rabbits destroy his field. So he is very worried how to get rid of them. So he want to fence his whole field. So here, but he didn't know how long wire he want to fence the whole field. So here is the diagram of that field. Now see the length of sides. This is 17 meter. This is 8 meter. This is 15 meter. And this one is 10 meter. So students, to find the length of wire, what can we do?
We shall add them.
We shall add all
Them.
sides of the field. Okay.
Yes.
So let's do the addition. 17
Plus 15
15
plus 10.
10 plus
8.
8. Now tell me the total length of wire.
Mm.
17 plus 15 is 32. 32 plus 10 is 32 plus 10 is 42. 42 plus 8 is
42 plus 8, 50.
50 meter. So the required length of the wire is
50 meter.
50 meter na. So the exercise in this we do is we add all the sides of this field to find the required length of the wire. So here the sum of boundaries is known as perimeter. So today's topic is perimeter. Now see here. When your family puts up a new fence around your home, how will they how know how much fencing they need? Now if your family wants to fence your whole home, then what they do to find out the fencing they need?
Perimeter. Area.
Area or perimeter, they only want to fence, not cover all the area. Now see here,
Perimeter.
this is boundaries of your home, na? So they want fence this only. So what will they do? They add all sides of the
Home. Of the border.
yes, yes. So this is known as perimeter. Now see here. Today's topic is perimeter. Now see here, perimeter. The perimeter of a figure is the distance all the way around the figure. Means perimeter is the distance around the figure, not inside the figure. And the figure should be closed shape, means it is does not open. Now the sum of lengths of all sides of the figure is called as perimeter. So here we see the rectangle. So tell me the sides of rectangle. Here the length of rectangle is 5 centimeter, and the breadth of rectangle is, this is breadth of rectangle. The breadth of rectangle is 9 centimeters. So the perimeter of this rectangle is, how do we find perimeter? By adding all sides of the figure. So here the perimeter of this rectangle is 5 plus
9.
9 plus
5.
5 plus 9. Na? So the answer is 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 plus 9 is 28. So perimeter of this rectangle is 28 centimeter. Now see here. P means here P means perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 5 centimeter plus 9 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. And the answer is 28 centimeter. Means the perimeter is the,
28 centimeter.
yes, but the perimeter is the sum of all sides of any figure. Now find the perimeter of given figures. So students, let's find out.
24. 24 centimeter.
24. How? Here the side of the figure is 6 meter. The all sides are equal, na? So which figure is this? This is square or rectangle?
Where?
It is square, na? A square has all sides are equal. So here the perimeter is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. The final answer is 24 meter. Yes, na?
Yes.
Now see the next diagram. It is triangle or square? Student, how will find the perimeter of this figure?
Plus.
Yes? Yes. What can we do? By adding all sides of this rectangle, na? So tell me the sides of this rectangle. This is one side. That is 9 centimeter, and this is 8
Sir,
centimeter.
21.
So to find out perimeter, what we have to do? We have to add all sides of the rectangle, na? Or triangle. It is triangle or rectangle?
Triangle.
Triangle. So triangle has how many sides?
3.
3. So this is first side. So 9 plus 8 plus 4. Now do the addition. 9 plus 8
Sir,
is
21.
9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 4 is
21.
21 centimeter or meter?
Centimeter.
Okay, good. Now see the next diagram. Okay. It has how many sides?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how we will find the perimeter? By adding all sides, na? Now tell me the
Yes.
sides. Tell me the sides one by one.
5 millimeter, 15 millimeter,
5
4
millimeter, then 15
centimeter,
millimeter,
8
yes,
millimeter.
then 4, then 7, and last one is 8. Now do the addition. 5 plus 15 is 5 plus 15 is 20, and 20 plus 4 is 24. 24 plus 7 is 31. 31 plus 8 is 39 centimeter. Na?
Yes, sir.
This is our final answer. Now find the perimeter of this figure. It has how many sides?
6.
6. Now find the perimeter. Okay, 3 plus 4 plus
4, 4, 4, 5,
4 plus 5,
plus 6.
6. Now do the addition. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15
14,
plus 4,
15.
20. 20 plus 6 is 26
26 inch.
inch. Okay, very good. So only thing we have to do in perimeter is to add all sides of the given figure. So see here, we add only sides of the given figure. So now see here the basic geometrical shapes. The first one is the
Square.
first square, and second one
Circle.
circle, third one,
Triangle.
and the last one is I will draw here
Rectangle.
rectangle. Now tell me about square. Square has all, how many sides square has?
4.
4, and all sides are equal, na?
Yes, sir.
If one side is 4 centimeter, then the all other 3 sides are only 4 centimeter, na?
Yes.
Okay, now circle has any side? Circle don't have side, na?
No.
Now, here this is triangle. So, how many sides are there in triangle?
3.
3. Okay, now. And the last one is rectangle. Rectangle has how many sides?
4.
And the opposite sides are equal. Now see here, this is opposite sides. These are
Yes.
equals. Means if it is 2 centimeter, then of course this is 2 centimeter only. This is 2 centimeter, then it must be 2 centimeter. And this is if it 6 centimeter, then opposite side is also 6 centimeter. Means in the rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Now see here, perimeter of a square. So a square is figured with 4 equal sides. Okay. This is square. So all the sides are equal. 9 meter, 9 meter, 9 meter and 9 meter. Means all the sides are equal. The perimeter can be found by adding all 4 sides together. We already know what is perimeter. Perimeter means the sum of all sides of any figure. Now it can be also found by multiplying side length by 4. So the square has 4 sides and all sides are equal. So we can multiply given side by 4 to find out the perimeter. So the formula for the perimeter is perimeter of square is 4 into length of one side of square. So here P is equal to 4s. Here P means perimeter and S means S stands for what? S stands for side of a square. Okay, good. Now find the perimeter of given square using formula P is equal to 4s. Now students, tell me the length of side of this square.
4.
4.
4 or 7? This is 7 inches, na? See here, the side of square is 7 inches. So this is formula. P means perimeter and 4s means 4 sides of square. Means 4 into 4 multiplied by sides of square. So here perimeter is equal to, first of all, we right side of square is 7 inches. Now perimeter is equal to 4 into s. Here at the place of s we write 7. So 4 into 7 is equal to 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to
28.
28. So the perimeter of given square is 28 inches. Okay. Now see the next one. Side of given square is here. Tell me the side of the square. S is equal to how many millimeter? See here, this is the side of the square. S is equal to 11 millimeter. Now perimeter is equal to 4 into S. So here 4 multiplied by 11. So 4 into 11 is 44 millimeter. Okay, good. Here, tell me the side of the square.
For 5 centimeter.
5 centimeters. So we will write here S is equal to 5 centimeter. Now
Centimeter.
perimeter is equal to 4 into
5 centimeter.
so 4 into at the place of S we write 5. 4 into 5 is 20
5 for 20.
centimeter. Very good. Now see if this side is 5 centimeter, then this must be 5 centimeter and this must be 5 centimeter. All the sides of square are equal. Now we will see the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. See here. This is rectangle. How many sides are there in rectangle? Rectangle has 4 sides. Good. Now opposite sides are equal. See here. This side is 3 centimeter. Then the opposite side is
3
3
centimeter.
centimeter. And here this one is 12 centimeter. Then the opposite side is
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter. Good. Now the perimeter can be found by adding all 4 sides together. Now this is rectangle. The all 4 sides, by adding all 4 sides we get perimeter of this rectangle. 3 plus 12 is 15. 15 plus 3 18. 18 plus 12 30. So the perimeter of given rectangle is 30
18.
centimeter. Now it can be also found by adding twice the width together and twice the length. Means opposite sides are equal. So by multiplying opposites, by multiplying one side here, see 2L means this is length. 3 centimeter is length and 12 centimeter is breadth. So this is twice of length plus twice of breadth is perimeter of rectangle. Now see the example. Here 8 meter is breadth of given rectangle. So here B is equal to
Centimeter.
8 meter and length is 6 centimeter. L is equal to 6 meter. Then the formula for perimeter of rectangle is P is equal to 2L plus 2B means 2 into L is equal to 6 na. 6 plus 2 into B is here 8. So 2 into 6 is equal to
12.
12.
12.
2 into 8 is
16.
16. So 12 plus 16 is
28.
28 meter. So the
8 centimeter.
perimeter of this rectangle is 28
Meter.
meter. Good.
Meter.
Now see here. Length of this rectangle is L is equal to 20 millimeter. And B is equal to, here breadth is
7 millimeter.
7
millimeter.
millimeter.
Meter.
And perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2B, means 2 into 20 plus 2 into 7. So 2 into 20 is
40.
40. Very good. Then 2 into 7 is
40.
14. Okay, now the total is
14.
T
54.
4 millimeter. Na? So the perimeter of given
4
rectangle
millimeter.
is-
4 millimeter.
Okay, very good. Now here this is breadth and this is length. So here L is equal to 5 inches. And B is equal to
9 inches.
9. And
Yes.
P is equal to 2L plus 2B. Na? 2L plus 2B. So here 2 into 5 plus 2 into 9. So 2 into 5 is
10.
10.
10.
And 2 into 9 is
18.
okay, good. Now the answer is
18. 28.
28 inches. Na?
28. Yes.
Okay. Now the perimeter of given rectangle is 28
inches.
inches. Good. Now we will see the area. So students, are you knowing what is area? Area means what? See here, if your parents want to put a new carpet in your room, how will they know how much carpet to buy? Okay, if your parents want to buy new carpet in your room, how will they know how much carpet to buy? So, to find out the required carpet, they find out area of your room. Means, see here, area means, this is perimeter. Perimeter here they show the fence is known as perimeter, means the sum of boundary lines of this field is known as perimeter, and the area means space occupied is known as area. See here. See here, area. The area of figure is the number of square units that cover the surface of the closed figure. So see here, this is rectangle, no? How many squares are there? Square units are there?
45.
45 units. So square units. So the area of given rectangle is 45 square units. Means this is okay. This is the space occupied, na? This is the total squares in a rectangle, and all squares has equal sides, na? So here is the area of this rectangle is 45 square units. Now the area of figure is found by finding how many square units it takes to cover its surface. So see here, how many squares are here? 1, 2,
20.
3, 4, 5. Yes,
5, 20.
20. So area of given figure is 20 square units. So just we have to find out how many squares in the given figure. The total number of square units in the diagram is known as area of that diagram or figure. Now we have to find out the area of given figures. Okay. So here, how many squares are here? Count. Okay. First we will count the complete squares. Okay. One, count it.
14.
1,
18.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14.
The squares are
14.
14. Okay, now we will count the half squares. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3,
4.
4.
4.
There are half 4 squares. Okay, means 4, 4, 4, 4. The half of 4 is
2.
2.
2. So 14 plus 2 is equal to
16.
16 square units, na?
Yes.
So the area of given figure is 16 square
unit.
units.
Unit.
Okay, good. Now see the next one. Okay, okay, let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
24.
4.
Okay, good. Now the complete square are 24.
24.
Now we will count the half squares. Okay. 1, 2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6.
6.
The half of 6 is
3.
3.
3. Now the area of given figure is 27 square
Unit.
unit. Good. Now see the next one. So here we find the squares. Okay. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
27.
27.
Good. The complete squares are 27 and the half one is
6.
6.
6. Means the half of 6 is
3.
3.
3. Means the area of given figure is
29.
20 or 30.
30.
30 square
Where unit?
Unit.
units. Okay, good. Now see the next diagram. How many complete squares are here?
6.
Good. 6 and half squares are
4.
4. The half of 4 is
2.
2.
means the area of given figure is
8.
8.
8 square
Square unit.
unit. Good. Now we will see how to find out the area of square. Okay. The area of square is found by finding how many square units it takes to cover its surface. So see here, this is square. Okay. It can also be found by multiplying its sides length by its side length. Okay. The all sides of the square are equal, na? So by multiplying by its sides, we will find out the area of square. So see here, The formula for area of square is A is equal to A stands for area and S stands for side of square. So A is equal to S multiplied by S. S means we will multiply the sides of square. So A is equal to S square. Okay. So here the side of square is
5 inches.
5 inches. Okay,
5
very
inches.
good. See here, S is equal to
5
5
inches.
inches.
now area of square is equal to S into
Yes.
Yes.
so here S is equal to 5 na?
Yes.
5 into 5 is
25.
25. So the area of given square is 25
25 inches.
square inches na?
Inches. 20 inches.
Square inches. Very good.
20 inches.
20 or 25? 25 na 5 into 5 is
25.
25. Good. Now see here the side of square is
7 meter.
7 meter. Okay, means A is equal to 7 meter. So area of the square is S into S na?
Yes.
So S is equal to 7 na?
Yes.
7 7.
Multiplied by 7. Okay, 7 into 7 is
49.
49 square meter.
49
49 square meter.
very good. 49 square
meter.
meter. Very good. Now see here. What is the side of the square?
9
9.
9
feet.
feet. Very good. So S is equal to 9 feet. So area is equal to 9 into
Yes. Multiply by S.
9 into 9. So 9 into 9 is 9 multiplied
81.
by
81 square feet.
81.
81
Square feet.
square feet.
Very good. 81 square feet. Now we will see the area of rectangles. The now tell me first, rectangle has opposite sides are equal, na?
Yes.
And one side is known as length and other one is known as breadth. Okay, so see here the area of rectangle can be found by finding how many square units it takes to cover its surface. Okay, can also be found by multiplying its length by its breadth. So the formula for area of the rectangle is L. A is equal to A stands for area, L stands for here length, and B stands for breadth of rectangle. So A is equal to L into B. Okay. Now see here. Find the area of given rectangle. Here, this is length. See here. This is length, na? Length is
Length is equal
length
4
is 4
centimeter.
centimeter, and the breadth is
6 centimeter.
6 centimeters. So, and we know the formula for area of the rectangle is length into
Length multiply by breadth.
breadth. So, we will do multiplication 4 into 4
6.
into 6. Okay. 4 into 6 is
24 square centimeter.
24.
24 square centimeter.
Okay, now we will verify it. Okay. Now we will count the squares in the given rectangle. Okay, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So, see here, the squares in the rectangle is same as the multiplication of length and breadth. Okay.
Yes.
Area of the given rectangle is 24 square centimeter. One. Here the length is
The length is
20
20 millimeter and breadth is 7 millimeter.
10 millimeter. Okay, very good. Now at the place of L we write length, na? 20
Yes.
into, at the place of B we write 7 because breadth is 7 millimeter. So do the multiplication. 20 into 7 is
140. 140
140.
square millimeter.
Nashi ठेवते.
Square millimeter.
Square millimeter. Very good. Okay. Now this is for your evaluation. Okay. Find the perimeter of each figure. So see here, to find out the perimeter, what we have to do?
Multiply.
Multiply or to do
Addition.
the sum of
Adding.
addition. Na?
Yes.
We have to add all sides of the given figure only. Na? See here, the first one, this diagram. See here, this one. Okay. To find the perimeter of this figure, what we have to do?
We have to add it.
We have to add all sides of given figure. So first side, what is the first side of this diagram? 7 centimeter.
Centimeter.
Next one is
16 centimeter.
16 centimeter, and this one is
20 centimeter.
okay. So we have to do addition to find out the perimeter of this figure. Okay. So okay, this is perimeter. So what is the addition of this figure? Do the addition. 7 plus 14 is 21. 21 plus 20 is
31.
31. 31 plus 16 is
16. 40.
40.
49.
47, na?
47.
47 centimeter. Do it again. See here. 7
Yes,
plus
yes.
16.
47 centimeter.
Okay, good. Now find out the next one.
The next is 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 8 centimeter.
Okay, do it on your notebook. See here. 10 plus 10 is
10 plus 10, 20.
20. 6 plus 6.
6 plus 6, 12.
Okay, 12. And 8 plus 8.
16.
16, na? So 20
Yes.
plus 16 plus 12. So the answer is 48 centimeter, na? 48
Yes.
centimeter, na?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So the perimeter of the given figure is
48 centimeter.
okay. Now let's find out the perimeter of this one.
8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter, 18 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 18 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and
Okay.
18 centimeter.
Okay, let's find out the perimeter of this figure. 8 plus 8 is
16.
16. 18 plus 18,
116.
100 and
16.
okay, now we will check it. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 2,
No. 18 plus
12 plus 2 is 14. Okay, we will carry on here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 64 meters. So the area of this figure is 64
meter.
meters. Okay, good. Now this is your homework.
Problem set.
Problem set 50 in the chapter perimeter and area. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
And thank you for teaching me.
Okay, welcome.